With the UN climate meeting falling into chaos, as usual, people don't think or realise what they're actually saying. They just spit out scripts given to them by portal people and their agency-based lords or paymasters. So the gist of it all is we have to cut carbon and its emissions, which in non-thinking terms is fossil fuels such as oil and coal that help fuel cars and industrial equipment, neglecting the fact that these are not fossil fuels to begin with. But the very people pushing climate change are the psychopathic families that invested in oil and coal, ignoring also the fact that we have new technology these same families are blocking to not require this outdated technology to begin with. In fact, we haven't needed that since 1906, when the Morgans, Rothschilds, Rockefellers and Warburgs all blocked it due to their greed. But apparently they're not responsible. So what else is carbon used for? Clothing, furniture, plastics and your household machines. So do we just delete all them as well? But then you forget it is the same elite harvesters that own all them companies as well. But apparently they're not responsible. What happens if you remove carbon? Well, trees need carbon dioxide, which is a compound of carbon to produce photosynthesis. So trees, plants and food would die. Then you take into account that all living things consist of carbon. Carbon is present in our muscles, bones, organs, blood and other components of living matter, and are essential components of DNA and RNA. And when you add in that this was a UN meeting, and in the UN they have documents called Agenda 21 or 30 of population reduction of 90%, then reducing things that emit carbon perhaps makes more sense and has more clarity than you thought. That's what they're telling you. And something Greta needs to understand. Save the climate? Okay, let's delete all the old technology families and their global reductionist puppet, Greta. Maybe that's the solution.